Abdullah dough kneader 3.5 kg AE3 AE900A model, which is being checked for Daraz order on 30th October 2023. This is the shipping label. It has a plastic blade, a metal blade, a measuring flask, warranty booklet. Machine is okay from all the sides. There are no damages, as you can see. We'll show you from the bottom also. It is absolutely okay. Now we'll start it. It has very low noise as compared to other brands. The machine has started. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. It makes dough very easily within 5 minutes, and it's a lifesaver for housewives nowadays. Abdullah brand is the best available dough machine in Pakistan. As you can see, the machine has automatically stopped, so it is perfectly fine. Now we will pack it for Daraz. Review.